afternoon, dear students. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss the guest paper of Environmental Science for BG first semester. This is multidisciplinary course and the title of the paper is Environmental Issues and Sustainable Development or Sustainability. सिंपल कोर्स है, 3 ही यूनिट्स है, हर किसी यूनिट में अलग अलग तरीके से क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं. दिस पेपर इज framed by one of the renowned expert in this very subject. So I have given almost 10 questions in this very subject. So I will discuss here one by one. We have environmental science, EVS for first sem. This is MD course. The title of the paper is Environmental Issues and Sustainability. So first question is direct आ जाएगा आपका question, that is global warming and climate change. First question, global warming and climate change. दूसरा जो महत्वपूर्ण क्वेश्चन है that is acid rain and ozone layer depletion या acid precipitation भी आ सकता है. तो 2 क्वेश्चंस हो गए हमारे. Third question is National Environmental Policy Act. National Environmental Policy Act. Fourth question is role of NGOs. Fifth question is Environmental Protection Act. Fifth question. Sixth question is anthropocentrism. Short में आ सकता है, 3 definitions हैं, 2 आ सकते हैं compulsory. Anthropocentrism, biocentrism and ecocentrism. खत्म. फिर उसके बाद एक्ट 1 पढ़ना है आपको. देखते हैं नर्मदो बचाओ आंदोलन, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. नर्मदो बचाओ आंदोलन, ठीक है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. उसके बाद बहुत महत्वपूर्ण क्वेश्चन है दैट इज नोन एज सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट एंड इट्स गोल्स. एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज इकोलॉजिकल फुटप्रिंट्स. So this was all about the guest paper of environment science for BG first semester. Hopefully you will get maximum marks from this very guest. Thank you for your cooperation. जबरदस्त cooperation रहा.